top, and then click on apply. So now let's take a look at this here and see what we've got. So it's a little bit bigger and has a nice little style here that, you know, that works. So if you want to change the background here for this too, you can definitely change the background as well. But I'm just going to leave it because the goal of this is to get you to build a really basic but high quality shopping cart. So we have this here now, and let's go over. We're going to click on save to make sure that's saved. And next we are going to just change the title from men's, and we're just going to put women, and go to option, and you got to change just men's to women's. And let's change this image here for this. Choose that one, click apply. You don't want to click on save, because if you click on save, it is going to override the stuff that you have. So let's change this here from men's to women's, and the same thing here for the subtitle, and click on apply. And now you want to go to this arrow, and you want to click on save as copy, not save. If you click save, it's going to override the stuff you just did for the men. And also you want to go back here, and you want to find the women's ID number, which is the number 5. So you go over to your text block right here, and you change this number from 4, you change it to the number 5. And once you've made all the changes that you're satisfied with, you click on save as copy. So now that's saved as copy, we can preview this on the front end. So it's the same men's fashion right there. We just got to change that. So let's just change this right here to women's, and click on save. And when we take a look at it on the front end, it's not going to say men's anymore. It is going to say women's. So with the women's, we just got to make sure we go back in the form manager to take that one off. I think we forgot. So let's do that right now, because we don't need that. So scroll down. Matter of fact, go over to and click on display title, take that box off, and click on save and close. So with the women, you can change that background color. So let's do that. So let's go over to the row options, and let's go over to the style. So I want to give something a little more feminine, maybe something like a red, and you have a lot of options when you're playing with this. You know, you have so many options when you're playing with this. So I'm just going to choose that for now, and click on apply, and let's click on save, and we'll take a look and see what we've got. So now you've changed that there on the front end for the women, and that looks pretty, looks pretty cool. I like that. Okay, so the women's part is done. The next thing that we're going to do now is we're going to have electronics. Once again, you just changing this first. Do not click save just yet. You just want to change everything that you need to, and then you can be able to hit save as its new copy. Electronics, and we want to make sure best electronics in the world, and apply. Come down. First you want to go over to the forms. You want to find out what the ID number for electronics is, which is number 6. So you click on this edit icon, and you change this from 5 to 6 and apply. And then go over to the options here, and then we're going to change that to electronics. This is the best electronics in the world. Not the best grammar, but you get the point. So let's switch the image to this here, insert, and click on apply. So next, go over to the arrow, click save as copy. Once again, not save and close, or just save, because it's going to overwrite what you did before. And we want to change the background color, the gradient for electronics. So we can make that something like that. Change the first color to that, and then change this one to, just kind of play around with it, see whatever you come up with. I'm just going to put that there. And the reason I'm doing this is just kind of give each section a different, color. But I want to keep that same layout. So we got the women's. Now we'll go to preview, and we'll have something here for electronics.